guys, what's up? It's Lakh and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my May favorites. So everything I've been liking this month. And yeah, let's just get into it. Just a quick thing, I diffused my hair for the first time, like for the very first time ever. And I don't think I did it right. I don't think I did it right. And yeah, it just looks bleh. So yeah, I'm gonna try again and then update you guys on what happens, just in case you were wondering too. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out. I do think it looks a little bit bigger. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you can see it looking a little bigger. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. So yeah, let's just jump into it and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I have in today's video is a Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation, and my shade is Desert Beige. And so this foundation is like $5 or $6 at the drugstore, so very, very affordable, and it's a really good foundation. I've heard a lot of people talking about it and saying it was good, so I was like, all right, let me go try it out, and it is really good. I'm wearing it today, and it just looks really nice. So if you're looking for an affordable foundation that you could wear like every day or something, like this one is pretty nice. Like if you guys can see, I know I'll have the lights on and everything, but in person it does look pretty nice and pretty flawless. It covers, in my opinion, it covers a lot. It's not light coverage or anything. It does have a good coverage to it. So yeah, check it out. It's just like $5 or $6 and works really good. Next thing I have is, and I made a video about this earlier this month, and this is the Tatcha Pearl. So I showed you guys this in the video, but this is Tatcha's new under eye cream. And if you don't know anything about it, then do check out that video because it's very informative. And so yeah, mine is in the shade Softlight. Yeah, Softlight, the medium one. And I've really been liking this under eye cream. I use it every morning. I put it on when I wake up before work, and like I was telling you guys in that video, I don't wear makeup to work, so I've been putting this on as an eye cream, and because it has that little tint in it, it really covers up a little bit of the dullness, the darkness I have there, and it really brightens it up. It makes a significant difference, and if you want to see the side-by-side comparison of with me having it on versus not, it's a huge difference. So do check out that video if you are interested in it. But yeah, this eye cream has been doing really good. It's been a month now that I've been using it, and I've really been liking it. I think I'm gonna stick with this, and it is expensive, but there is a lot in here, and you only use like the tiniest bit underneath each eye, so it will last you a very long time. But yeah, this is really, really good. Okay, next I have a mascara, and this mascara I've actually had for a while, but I don't know, I used it once and then I was like, whatever, I don't really like it, and I cannot tell you why I thought that. Like, I have no idea why I thought that, because I literally am living for this mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And so when you open it up, it looks like this. So this is the wand that it comes with. And honestly, at first, the first time I tried this, I don't know why I thought it was so like whatever, but I just never put it on again. And then just recently, this past month, I was like, okay, let me try this out, because I was running out of my telescopic one from L'Oreal, and I was like, all right, let me try it out. But no, you guys, this mascara, it really elongates your lashes. Like, seriously, it does. My lashes are not very long. They're very thin, and they just like poke out straight. So I have to curl them and then put mascara on. But this mascara holds my lashes. That's the difference between this and other ones. I thought the L'Oreal telescopic mascara was like the bomb, and it is really good. But this one just helps my lashes stay curled for hours, whereas other ones, it'll be like I'll curl my lashes and then put mascara on, and then they'll kind of fall like within 30 minutes, which is really sad. But then this mascara, it holds the lashes for hours. Like, no lie, it holds the lashes, and it just blows my mind. Like, it's perfect. I always have wanted to just have like longer lashes and not wear fake eyelashes sometimes, and this is a mascara to do this with, definitely. And you can really tell that it holds your lashes for a long time, because when you go to take it off, like when I'll go at the end of the day or whenever I'm done wearing the makeup to take it off with water, it is so hard to take off. That's the annoying thing about it, but also the good thing because it holds it, you know? But yeah, it takes forever to take off, but really, really good mascara. Okay, so the next two things I have are lashes, and so the first lash is from Morphe, and this is what they look like right here. So this is the Morphe lash, and it's in the style Hypnotic. And so what's funny is that when I wore these lashes in a video like a long time ago, and I was telling the name of the lash, right? So on this box, like one side says the name on it, so this is Hypnotic, and then the other side has this red side, and then it says go on and fake it, but that's kind of like the slogan of the lash. That's not the name of the lash. The name of the lash is on the other side, Hypnotic. And so in that video, I only looked at one of the sides, the red side, and I thought the name of the lash was go on and fake it. So in the video, I was like, oh yeah, I'm wearing the lash, go on and fake it. And later I realized that that's not even the name of the lash, like, you idiot. So I felt stupid, but yeah, anyways, it's Hypnotic. And so these lashes are pretty wispy, but they also are very full. So it's not like a light lash or anything. It is a very, very full lash, but I feel like it's not as full as like Lily Lashes Miami or Mykonos or anything like that, but it is definitely on the fuller side. But yeah, they're just really pretty. They're very wispy, very full, will make your eyes just look really pretty. And yeah, I would definitely recommend, and they're Morphe, so they're pretty affordable, and yeah, really, really good. The next lash is actually the one I'm wearing right now, and so these are natural lashes. So if the first one wasn't for you, then this one will definitely appeal to you, because these are definitely natural lashes. And these are actually e.l.f. lashes. So I got them at Walmart, and so this is like the, here, let me show you the box. Like, it's like the Luxe Lash Kit or something, and I'm not sure exactly what the name is. It does say Starstruck on the bottom here, so that might be the name, but nowhere else does it say a name. So I'm assuming that this lash is called Starstruck because it says that there. And yeah, so it comes in this box right here, and this is the lash. So let me get like a little closer. So I hope you guys can tell what this lash looks like, but as you can see, it's super natural. So I feel like when you guys are looking at me, it looks like it's just my real lashes, because they are super natural. But if you have short, thin lashes like me, and if you just want to look like you have full lashes but not look like you're wearing fake eyelashes, if you get what I mean, then these lashes are definitely for you. Because let me like turn to the side, like, let me, hold on. Like, hold on, like when you look at this eye, can you see how long that is when I look that way? Like, I don't know, that's like a good way to look at it. But yeah, so these lashes, they're pretty natural, but it just looks like it's your own lashes and you just have long eyelashes that are just natural. So if you're into that, then definitely these are really pretty. And my favorite lashes of all time are Lily Lashes in Diamonds, and those are, hold on, let me just show you, I have them. And diamonds look like this. They're also natural, but they're longer than these lashes. So I would say if diamonds had a little sister, then it would be these e.l.f. lashes. Like, legit, if it had a little sister, it would be these lashes right here, because they're also natural, but not as long as diamonds. They're just more super natural. It said natural like 15 times, but you get it. But yeah, good lashes and super affordable too. Okay, the last thing that I have is, and I've been using this for a hot minute, but I'll just kind of be on and off with it. But this month I've been using it like a lot. So I wanted to include it in the video because it's just what I've been using a lot this month. And I actually, so anyways, let me just tell you, God, I talk too much. This is the Morphe Brushes beauty sponge. So I used it today, so it's a little dirty. But yeah, so this is the Morphe Brushes beauty sponge. So basically like their beauty blender. And I've been using this a lot this month, and I like it. I really like this sponge. It's a lot more affordable than the beauty blender, and it works honestly just the same, if not better. And so the thing is that actually this whole month I've been using basically only this sponge, but then like last week I decided to use my beauty blender. So this isn't wet right now, that's why it's so small, but my beauty blender right here, I decided to use this. I was like, oh, let me use this. So I used it, and then I realized that I kind of like the Morphe Brushes sponge a little bit better. And I don't know what it was. When I used the beauty blender one, I don't know, I kind of missed the Morphe Brushes one. So that's why I was like, alright, I need to add this into the video, because this has been something like my go-to this month, and it's really good. So the beauty blender is $20. $4. This is, I don't remember how much, but less than that. And it works really, really good. So yeah, definitely recommend. Alright guys, so those were my favorites of the month. Unfortunately or fortunately, I don't have any misses of this month. Didn't really have anything that I didn't like, so yeah, no misses this month. So no tea this month. But yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys like the products, and let me know if you try them out or if you're gonna try them out and how they work out for you. And thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to the channel and like this video before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time.